Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be discussing about one of the important features in the Citrix Cloud console, which is system logs. System logs. So, in order to access system logs, what you need to do is you need to click on this three horizontal lines and you see an option called system log here. Okay, you need to click on system log. Okay, so these are all the logs that you will see in the Citrix Cloud Management Console. So before we discuss about these logs here, let me show the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so what exactly is system log? The system log displays a time-stamped list of events that occurred in the Citrix Cloud. You can export these changes as CSV file to meet your organization's regulatory compliance requirements or to support security analysis. To view the system log, select system log from the Citrix Cloud menu. So in order to access system log, you need to click on this and you will see the system logs here. So system logs are more accurate details, like if some administrator has made any changes in some particular service, okay, or any other crucial details, the system logs will be generated in this particular location. So you can use these logs for your organization security analysis purpose. So you have security team or cyber security team in every organization, so they might use these logs to investigate any major issues. Okay, so it will be very useful for security analysis purpose. Okay, let me go to the next slide. Okay, by default, the system log displays events that occurred in the last 30 days. The most recent events are displayed first. So, if you access the system logs, it is going to show the list of details for the last 30 days. For the last 30 days. So, if you want to, you know, find out the details for the last 60 days or 90 days, you can click the drop down box and you can select 60 days or 90 days to view the complete events. And at any point in time, if you want to export these details, if you want these details in an Excel sheet or something, sometimes managers or your business might ask, okay, I need the report of the system logs for the last 30 days. In that case, as a Citrix administrator, you should be ready to select the right option and export to CSV, so that the file will be generated and the file will have all the important details for security analysis. Okay, the displayed list includes the following information. So the list will contain these details. So it will show the date and time. Okay, it will show the date and time when the event actually occurred. And it shows the actor that initiated the event. So it is going to show the administrator, the person who has actually done that activity. Entries with the actor CWC system indicate the Citrix Cloud performed the operation. So if you get this notification CWC system, it indicates that it is done by the Citrix Cloud, not any administrator. It is done by the Citrix Cloud. Brief description of the event. So it is going to give the brief description of the event, such as somebody has edited, such as editing an administrator or creating a new secure client. So it is going to give some details. And the target of the event, the target is the system object that was impacted or changed as a result of the event. For example, a user was added as an administrator. So this is a very good example. So some user was added as an administrator. So this is the log that was that is going to be generated in this particular events. Okay, so let me go back to the console. Let me go back to the console. So if you see the system logs here, it is showing, it is giving some details like okay, Citrix Cloud Connector has been upgraded. The upgrade has been completed successfully. Citrix Cloud Connector has been registered. Citrix Cloud Connector has been deleted. So it will show that the Cloud Connector has been deleted. So there is a person called Naresh who has deleted the Cloud Connector. So it will show all the important details, and it happened on so and so date with so and so time. So this will be very useful for security analysis. Okay, so here Cloud Connector upgrade has started. So you will find all the critical details here. It will be very, very useful for security analysis, and also in the Citrix environment you can monitor closely what is actually happening, so that you can take the right steps and move forward. Okay, so system logs are also very, very important to find out what are the events that are occurring in the Citrix environment, so that you can take appropriate actions. All right. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.